Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel with a brand new video. This is me, Shohana, and I'm starting my videos as usual. I start. So, I hope everyone is going well. I'm also very fine. So, without any further talking, let's get into my videos. Those of you who watch my videos regularly may know that every day I start my morning with a cup of coffee because I think a hot cup of tea or a cup of coffee helps to give a fresh start of a fresh day also. I took freshen up and I start my morning study slot with inheritance. I make a little change of my first morning study slot because other days I was studying law subject, but I thought and I saw that in the morning the head was so cool. Then I start math. I actually have many more friends who are really good at math, but in this subject I am very much weak, so I have to practice many more. তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ এখানে প্রচণ্ড পরিমাণে কাটাকাটি কারণ আমি অনেক চেষ্টা করার পরেও এরকম অবস্থা হয়েছে অ্যান্ড ফাইনালি এই পাশে ম্যাথ খুব ভালোভাবে করেছি মানে করার চেষ্টা করেছি বারবার ফেল করেছি কিন্তু করতে পেরেছি আমার গল্পটা হয়ে গেছে মাকড়সার জাল বোনার মতো In all those subjects, I left it for today. I will not do math today, and that's why I have taken out another New Year's questions, and I will solve this year's questions very well. Now we see many people around us. We're actually doing all the previous year questions to get a chance in the admission exam because there is actually no way but to solve the previous year questions to get a chance in the chosen university. So you can well understand how much it is important. And I hope you all understand why I give the examples of admission because how competitive the admission exam is, you all know.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!
Though I take my breakfast in so late, but today's breakfast is so delicious. And after breakfast in the morning, it was very cold, and as today there is a good sun in the sky, so I could not resist the temptation and came to the balcony and sit here. After sitting in the sun, I remember something. When I was a kid, I always tried to sit and read with my father in the courtyard because it was so fun. Today, after the sun, that memory came back to me. This is really amazing. This is really a memory which is never dead. In this time of everywhere, every brand offers up to 50% discount on their product, and today is 50% off of my favorite brands. So how could I resist myself? I have to go there, and I am here. You can see how much crowd there. Today I have to spend 3 hours for shopping and I did a lot of shopping all day. Now let's study for now because if I do shopping without studying then I won't get a job. Every dream gone. But after sitting down to read, I see the condition of my bed. Oh my god, it's so horrible. তো আমি চলে গেলাম আমার বেডের কন্ডিশন ঠিক করতে মানে বেডটা গোছালাম দেন আমি আবার এখানে পড়তে বসলাম কারণ পড়াশোনা করার জন্য অ্যাটলিস্ট একটা ক্লিন সুস্থ পরিবেশ আসলেই নিড অ্যান্ড ফাইনালি আমি আজকের ভিডিওটা এখানেই শেষ করতে যাচ্ছি তোমরা যারা এখনও নিজের লাইফের গোলটাকে ঠিক করতে পারোনি ঠিক করো অ্যান্ড উইথ অ্যাকর্ডিং কাজ চালিয়ে যাও গুড বাই